There's been a lot of consultation as part of the master plan development of that plan and buy-in of the community. This project is a significant safety enhancement for the airport and the community as a whole. Queenstown Airport is in a geographically beautiful location, but it's really challenging in terms of the obstacles, which are the mountains that surround the airport. Pilots have to do additional training to be able to fly in and out of here, and the installation of EMAS is just that extra measure of safety. Behind me are our EMAS blocks, so this is what we'll be installing as part of the system. We've been working closely with our contractor Downer, our logistics partner Ocean Bridge and the trucking company Icon Logistics to make sure that the containers arrive on schedule and to program. Our final shipment of containers have arrived today, and now we have all the materials that we need on site for the install, and it's a great milestone that we've achieved to be able to start the installation process. Construction happens overnight and it's a small working window, and then the contractors have to leave the worksite in a state ready for operations at 6 o'clock every morning. In terms of the commitment to safety and connection, this project goes above and beyond. They are doing a fantastic job and everyone involved should be immensely proud of what they've achieved today.